lot of people don't like to think about what would happen if they couldn't make medical decisions for themselves, and that's completely understandable. But the important thing to understand is that planning for that possibility can make things much easier for the people you love. Hi, I'm Rebecca Bell from RB Legal, and today I want to talk about what a healthcare directive is, how it works in Minnesota, and why every adult should consider having one in place. In Minnesota, this document is commonly called a healthcare directive. A healthcare directive allows you to name someone you trust, called your healthcare agent, to make medical decisions for you if you are no longer able to make or communicate those decisions yourself. This might happen because of unconsciousness, dementia, a serious illness, or another medical emergency. If it is determined that you lack decision-making capacity, your healthcare agent can step in and speak on your behalf. This is where planning matters so much. A healthcare directive helps make sure your medical care reflects your wishes, not someone else's best guess. It also helps protect your autonomy, even during a time when you may not be able to speak for yourself. And this document is not just for older adults or people with chronic health conditions. It is important for everyone. Unexpected accidents and illnesses can happen at any age, and having this document in place means you are always prepared. One of the benefits of Minnesota's healthcare directive is that it can do two things in one document. First, it lets you name your healthcare agent. Second, it lets you include written instructions about the kind of care you do or do not want. This can include preferences about life-sustaining treatment, comfort care, organ donation, or other medical choices that matter to you. In Minnesota, your healthcare directive can also be important in a crisis because your healthcare agent may be able to act without your family needing to go through a separate court process for guardianship. The best time to create this document is before there is an emergency. That gives you time to think carefully, talk with the person you want to name, and make sure they understand your values and wishes. And this does not have to be complicated. Under Minnesota law, a healthcare directive must be signed and either witnessed by two adults or notarized to be legally valid. So if you are not sure whether your current documents are complete, or if you need help creating a healthcare directive, reach out to us at rblegalmn.com. We would love to guide you to make sure your wishes are clearly documented and legally secure. Thank you for being here today. If this was helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks again.